Hey there guys, welcome back, it's Aero Dragon, and today I'll be opening my Yu-Gi-Oh! Circuit Break Special Edition display box. So it comes with 10 mini boxes and a bunch of promos and packs. So we're going to open 30 packs today, and I am really excited to crack this open. I actually got this off eBay for I think about $58. So really cheap and really nice deal to grab because of course it's a special edition display box, and those usually go for about $70 to $80. If you were to buy it retail, it would be close to $100 because 10 mini boxes would be $10 each, and so on and so forth. You can do the math from there. But enough of that. Let's crack this big boy open, and we'll get straight into the pack openings. So I'm just gonna grab my scissors here and tear through the plastic. Alright, so let's crack this open, and yeah, it's fresh. It's very nice and fresh. Very nice and fresh. Alright, so let's start off with, let's just get all the packs. It'll make it a lot easier for me. Or, I guess I could do that first and show you guys the promos. So cards that we're looking for. Evenly matched, definitely on the #1 list. Borrowload. Let's see what else. I don't know, anything that might be useful in future meta. We'll see. Alright, we're almost done. Got one more to go. Alright, so we're starting off with this special edition. Just throw it back in the box. Alright, promos. We got Parallel Port Armor and, ooh, nice, the Winged Dragon of Raw Sphere Mode. Actually a very decent card right there. Alright, let's crack into the first pack. Alright, so I'm not going to go through all the card names, so it'll take me forever. Alright, so for a super rare, we got Vendred Knights. Alright, and for a rare, ooh, Destrudo the Lost Dragon's Frisian. That's a very nice rare. It's pretty cool. Let's see here, let's just throw all the super rares together, and then we'll go by rarity. How about that? Including the promos. Alright, see what we have here. And number 41, Baguska the Terribly Tired Tapir. Wow, very nice. And Metaverse. Alright, so it's pretty decent. And Ojama Duel. I think that is a short print in the set. Let's throw the wrappers to the side. Next pack. Completely destroy that pack. What do we have here? And Metaphys Executor for a super rare. And Altergeist Camouflage. Okay, not bad. Let's see if this next special edition will do us any better. There are 3 packs. We got a Lockout Garna and another The Winged Dragon of Raw Sphere Mode. Not bad. Alright, let's see here. What do we have in this pack? Goki Headband and Altergeist Protocol. Man, I thought it was evenly matched for a moment. Not bad. And World Legacy World Armor for a rare. Alright, so let's see here. Let's see. In this pack. Alright, what do we have? Oh, we got an ultra rare. We got a Metaphys. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Pretty cool. It's an ultra rare. And Fantastic Striborg. Okay. So our first non-super rare card. Not bad. think my friend might actually need that. Oh, here's another short print. Burning Bamboo Sword. And Auto Rocket Dragon, super rare. With security block. Okay. That was a pretty decent special edition. Oops. Alright. What do we have? Lago Garna and Stardust Chronicle Spark Dragon. That's the other promo. Not bad. Alright. Let's get down to it. Evenly matched. Come on. Oh, we got a secret rare. It is Akashic Magician. Alright. Not bad. So our first secret rare. And we got an Elemental Grace Doriado. It's kind of hard to say actually. Alright. So first pack into the third special edition gives us a secret rare. So I believe these special edition boxes or cases do not have a set ratio. And for our holo, we got a Metaphys Nephis with a twin triangle dragon. So yeah, about the ratios, you can get as many secret rares as you can, which is pretty crazy. It's not a set ratio like a booster box. Alright, what do we have here? Metaphys Nephis again. Okay. And Dragonoid Generator. Alright, so it's rare. We're almost halfway. We got Parallel Port Armor and Stardust Chronicle Spark. Alright, next up, what do we have? Burning Bamboo Sword and Quiet Life. Actually a very good Floodgate card. And Vendread Reunion for a rare. Alright, next pack. Metaphys Executor and Altergeist Camouflage. And the last pack for this special edition. Alright, come on. And War Legacy Trap Globe. I saw a trap card and I was like, oh, is it? But it's not. So for our rare, we got Fire King Avatar Arvada. It's actually a very good support for our Fire Kings right there. So we have yet to pull a evenly match, but here we go. Parallel Port Armor and the Winged Dragon Royal Sphere mode. That's our playset right there. It's not bad. What do we have? What do we have? Subterra Behemoth Fiendus. Alright. And Samurai Destroyer. That is a very decent single card right now. It's a generic level 7. So that's pretty cool. Alright guys, I'm going to call it evenly matched. Let's see if I am right. But it is an ultra rare though. It's a Goki Thunder Ogre. Very cool. Alright, and another Elemental Grace Doriado. Oops. Alright, so we got an ultra rare. That's 2 ultras, 1 secret. Can we beat the odds? And another Vendread Knights with a backup squad. It's not bad. I think this set actually has a lot of good super rares and regular rares, which is really nice. Alright, so promos, Lago Garna and Stardust Chronicle Spark Dragon. Next pack. Goki Headbat. Not bad. And, oh, an ultra rare again. Altergeist Marionetter. Okay, very nice. And a one-time passcode. Actually, I've been seeing a lot of this card being played. Pretty decent. Alright, so we're starting off with an ultra rare. That's what I like to see. But can we get another secret rare? And a Link Bumper. Okay. Super rare. And Fire King Avatar Arvada. I mean, so far, I'm pretty satisfied. I mean, we got a Akashic Magician. It's very nice. And a Manifest Nephis again with Twin Triangle Dragon. Alright. Next special edition. We're past the halfway mark. On to a 4th special edition. Lago Garna and Stardust Chronicle Spark. Super rare pile is stacking up. Alright, so we got Crawler Spine. Crawler archetype. And another ultra rare. We got Trickstar Black Catback. Alright. And a World Legacy World Armor. So that is another ultra for us. 4 ultras. Alright. So it's like a booster box ratio right there. Altergeist Sequoias. And a Trickstar Narcarcius. Alright. And last pack of this special edition. Oh, can it be? Oh, wait, it's an ultra rare. Broken Line, ultra rare. So, wait, was that 2 ultras in the same special edition? Wow, that would have been a very awesome special edition right there. Okay. Next one. Lago Garna and Stardust Chronicle. Oh, that pack didn't want to come out. Alright. Oh, it's a secret rare. Vendred Chimera. Secret rare. Alright. It's the only ritual in the set, so I already know what that was. Starting off with a secret rare. Second pack. X-Crawler Qualiarch. Super rare. And Elemental Grace Doriado. Got a couple of those now. Alright. After this, we're down to 2 special editions. And we got a number 41, Boguska the Terribly Tired Tapir. And a Twin Triangle Dragon. Getting a couple of those is pretty decent too. And making a lot of mess around here now. Alright. Lago Garna and another Stardust Chronicle. Alright. Subterra Behemoth Venus and Vendred Reunion. So we definitely beat the odds for ultra rares. What can we get? A Manifest Executor and World Legacy World Armor. It'd be cool if we could pull one more secret rare. That's all I ask for. And let it be a what is it? A good one. And another number 41. Not bad. And a Manifest Daedalus. Alright, last special edition. Here we go. I believe. Teleport Armor and Stardust Chronicle Spark. Not bad. Alright, here we go. Let's do this. Altergeist Protocol and Samurai Destroyer. Okay. Come on. Something good. Please. Cross my fingers. Well, I can't right now, but crossing my toes. Alright, Gateway Dragon. We got one more pack, guys. Fire King Avatar Arvada. Alright, come on. Last pack. Last pack. Alright, please. Let it be a secret or something. What is it? Ah, it's a super rare. It's a Link Bumper. Ah, that's a bummer. And Altergeist Camouflage for a rare. Alright. So let's do a recap. I probably won't go over all the super rares. That's a lot. But yeah, we got a decent amount of super rares, a good amount of variations for the promos. But yeah, let's take a look at the secret rares and ultras. So we pulled two secrets, a Vendread Chimera and Akashic Magician. Not bad. And then for the ultras, we got Broken Line, Trickstar Black Catbat, Altergeist Marionette, Goki Thunder Ogre, and Ascend Metaphys. So pretty nice. But guys, 5 ultra rares, 2 secrets, and a bunch of supers. I'm fine with that. Got this for pretty cheap too, around like $58 on I believe eBay. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this is Arrow Dragon, and I am signing out.